This peace lily was revived in my previous videos after using several fertilizers. We transformed a weak plant into such a beautiful and blooming one. Look at all the healthy, shiny leaves. There's one beautiful flower, which, by the way, smells wonderful. If you've never smelled a peace lily, you should. But for your plant to bloom, you need to prepare an excellent solution that I've used several times on my plants. And it always showed excellent results. But before that, it's important to correct all the care issues. Now you can see that some of the roots of my peace lily are sticking out above the soil, so you need to cover them with soil first before starting with fertilizer. Right now, please click the like button under this video, because this way many more people will learn this recipe and their plants will feel much better. And also, tell me in the comments where in the world you're watching this video from. I'll add a little neutral soil that will suit this plant well. When planting, I strongly recommend that you keep in mind that the pot for lilywort should have plenty of drainage holes, so that water doesn't stagnate when you water it. This is perhaps the single most important factor in planting this flower. First, let's check the soil condition. If it's dry, it's time to water the plant. Let's begin preparing our fertilizer. The first ingredient is very affordable, yet extremely effective. It's ordinary wheat flakes, a familiar porridge that we all know and can easily buy at any supermarket. In fact, it's a source of key micronutrients. If done correctly, our plant will benefit greatly from it. Take a clean container about half a liter in size and add 1 teaspoon of wheat flakes. This concentration will be sufficient. Don't overdo it. Use the proportions I've shown you. Now let's add rice to our fertilizer. Using these 2 grains together will yield a completely new and beneficial effect for our houseplants. They will grow faster, bloom longer, and even flower if they aren't blooming now. We could do something complicated, like take a blender and grind rice, but we'll keep it simple and pour 2 teaspoons of rice into our half-liter container. You'll soon learn why this method is just as good, only more convenient. The trick is to add water to the resulting fertilizer and then stir it well, so all the tiny rice particles will be absorbed. As you can see, when I poured the water in, it was already cloudy. But after stirring, it will improve significantly. You'll see the water turn a completely cloudy white. That's what we need. And the more thoroughly we stir it, the better the result will be. It's best to use warm water around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Now comes another important point. Take any sieve and pour 1 liter of clean water into any suitable container. This will ensure a good concentration and remove any large grains of rice and flakes from the water. Pour our half liter of concentrated fertilizer into 1 liter of clean water. It's very important not to overdo it with this product, even though it's natural. Don't use it too often. It's best to use it every 3 weeks during the active growth period. That is, in spring and summer, when the plant needs nutrients most. Look at how much fertilizer we end up with, a total of 1.5 liters. And now I'll water all my plants with it. Friends, watch one of these videos now, because I've prepared another equally wonderful product that will also help your plants.